In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Picot Crochet Stitch. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. For today's crochet tutorial, I'm really excited because today I'll show you how to crochet a Picot Stitch. Now for this crochet video, you're going to need yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color white. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Well, I'm short sleeves today, so no sleeves to roll up. So let's go ahead and get crocheting now. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started with learning how to do the Picot Stitch. Now the Picot Stitch I really love because it gives that little point to your project. So this is definitely awesome to use for a blanket, maybe a granny square. If you're crocheting maybe a skirt, that could be the edging to your skirt. It can be used as a sleeve for your shirt. I often use the Picot Stitch when I create flowers or leaves just to give my flower or the leaf a little point, okay? So in order to do this stitch, you will need to know how to do a chain and how to do a single crochet. So right here, I'm gonna link a video series where I teach you the basics of crochet. So in this video series, I will show you exactly how to do chaining and a single crochet. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and get started. So I've already worked up a small crochet swatch, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So you'll see our chains. What you want to do is flip your chain over and see this little bar on your third chain. So you're counting down 1, 2, 3. So this chain right here, see this little line, the little bar right here? You want to insert your hook up under that bar. Okay, so you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over because you want to do a single crochet right there. Okay, so you pull through doing that single crochet, and I'm just going to slip stitch in the next chain space, and that creates the little point, the little Picot stitch. So let's do another one again. Okay, let's chain up. 1, 2, 3. Again, turn your chains. See that little line right there, that little bar? Insert your hook under that bar, and we're going to put a single crochet right there. Okay, and then just slip stitch in the next chain space. See, the little Picot stitches are now forming onto our work. Let's do another one together. Just slip stitch there. I'm gonna chain up 2, 3. Again, this bar right here, insert your hook, pull through. We're gonna do a single crochet, and we're gonna slip stitch in the next chain space. Okay, so there is our Picot stitch. Continue practicing your Picot stitch over and over and over again. When you think you have it down pat, practice some more. Practice makes perfect. Once you have it down pat, you've practiced and you practice and you practice, and you know that you can do the Picot stitch with your eyes closed, then I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.